Is your home a battlefield for two furry rivals? Do you dream of the day your cats will finally stop hissing and fighting? What if I told you the secret to feline peace isn't about forcing them to be friends, but about understanding a simple, ancient instinct? Stick around, because you're about to turn your cat war into a cat truce. So, you brought home a new cat, and your resident feline turned into a jealous, hissing drama queen. Sound familiar? It's a classic story, and you're definitely not alone. But here's the big misconception. Your cat isn't being mean or spiteful. They're just being, well, a cat. At their core, cats are territorial creatures. Their home is their kingdom, and a new cat is an intruder. The mistake most people make is trying to force an immediate friendship. The real key is building trust, and that starts with respecting their natural instincts. Ready for the step-by-step game plan? First, separation is your best friend. Keep the new cat in a separate, secure room with its own food, water, and litter box. This gives them time to decompress and feel safe. Your resident cat gets to keep their territory without feeling threatened. Now, for the magic part, scent swapping. Take a blanket or a toy from each cat and place it in the other's space. Let them get used to each other's smell without any face-to-face confrontation. This simple act makes the other cat's scent a normal, non-threatening part of their world. They're getting acquainted before they've even met. After a few days of positive scent swapping, it's time for the next level, visual contact. But keep it controlled. Use a baby gate or crack a door just enough so they can see each other, but not touch. Keep these initial meetings super short and sweet, maybe just a few minutes. And here's the crucial part. Make it a positive experience. Give them their favorite treats or have a play session near the barrier. You want them to associate seeing the other cat with good things happening. If there's any hissing, just calmly end the session and try again later. No scolding, no stress. You'll be amazed at how quickly things can change. Within days, those aggressive hisses often soften into curious sniffs. Within a couple of weeks, that curiosity can blossom into calm acceptance. Before you know it, you'll be able to have them in the same room. Supervised at first, of course. They might not become cuddly best friends overnight, and some cats never will, but they can learn to coexist peacefully. They'll go from rivals to roommates. And maybe, just maybe, you'll catch them sharing a sunbeam. Remember, peace between cats isn't a miracle that happens overnight. It's a relationship that's built, one patient, positive step at a time. If you found this guide helpful for bringing harmony to your home, please give this video a thumbs up. And for more tips on understanding your amazing feline friends, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.